it time to move to D Street Chatter. Nimesh is with us to give us an insight. Nimesh?
Hi, Nigel. After many days, you're seeing a big up move in this fashion in today's market. So the Nifty is up 170 points. And again, it looks like more like a global risk on, which is helping India as well, because there is no specific reason for such a big up move in today's market. Not it's very news or not it's very large FI buying or a DI buying as well. So looks like more of a short covering as well in today's market. But I was just looking at some data. In the last 50 days, Nigel, the Nifty has been in the range of 5%. That shows that there has been such a large consolidation for the Indian markets in the last 2 months. So looks like a bit of breakout could be on the cards here. From a flow perspective, again, a mixed day, but the number may look large because of the two large block deals today, both Macrotech as well as in Uber Realty. So it has to account for those large blocks as well. Overall, the Realty Index is under pressure today, largely on back of those two block deals, but in general, there is a bit of profit booking as well across all the real estate names in today's market. The breadth, unfortunately, is not that great. So again, a weak day as far as broader markets are concerned. And that's been a bit of a worry in the last couple of days, that the breadth has turned a bit negative in the broader market. So a bit of profit booking, you can say, but largely today's move is in the Nifty and looks like it's more of a short covering than large buying from large institutions.
Okay, all right. So more of short covering then. Got that point, Amish. What about stocks? Always action on your list. So what is it today?
Well, a lot of forgotten names are back on my list today. So the first stock is Spicejet. Big move on that stock and large volumes as well. We saw that news about the Supreme Court order, but there was a large block as well, is what I understand. 3 crore shares got changed hands in Spicejet. I understand one of the long-only fund, which was one of the QIP investor, they sold out in today's block deal, and one wealth fund was a buyer in today's block. So if there is a disclosure, could be interesting in Spicejet. Similarly, is the case with Ola Electric as well. After a long time, seeing a big move on that name as well, up 7%, large volumes as well. I understand there was a clean-out trade from a leading long-only fund. They have been a seller in the last couple of days, but today it looks like it's a clean-out, and hence you're seeing a big reaction in that name as well. So expect very high delivery volumes in Ola Electric today. The third name is Jayaswal Neco. We saw a small block yesterday. The ARC was a seller, and there was an anticipation of further large blocks coming in. And you see the reaction in today's market. The stock is locked at 20% upper circuit, and even there the volumes are quite large in Jayaswal Neco today. So that's the third name. And the last one is Bharat Dynamics. It's been under pressure in the last couple of weeks. Post there was an initiating report as well from Motilal, I think 10 days back. But for Bharat Dynamics, there is a very strong indication that maybe the company is likely to bag a large order very soon. So that's the buzz in Bharat Dynamics.
Oh, interesting. Okay, got that. And that explains, this big move on Ola. Even I was wondering that, okay, it's probably because of this big block, like Nimesh explained. So thanks for that, Nimesh. Plenty of stocks, as always, catching our attention.